Besides being a mother, what are you really, really good at? I thought this was a brilliant question because, of course, so many of us define ourselves as being mothers first and foremost. The first thing that we're going to say has to do with ourselves as mothers, has to do with our children, has to do with our families, things we're doing around the house. There's so much more to us than that. So I love that that part was excluded, because my first thing was going to have to do with being a mom and making up stories to my kids at night. So let's go beyond that. When I think about things that I'm good at, that came before kids, or there are things that don't have anything to do with a mom, it's kind of hard to think about these things. But I think I came up with a couple of them. The first one I was going to say was horseback riding. I don't know if you know this about me or not, but I used to ride. In fact, I rode from the time I was 8 years old until I was about 5 months pregnant with little Miss. I was pretty good at it. I used to go to a barn and they would give me the horses that they were having trouble with and say, here, go take Lady, go take Princess, go take whoever, and see what you can do. And I would just get on and ride the horses, and it worked. But we're not even going to go with that one. The thing that I'm really good at, that is a little bit unique probably, is spreadsheets. I'm really good at spreadsheets. I'm good at organizing them, I'm good at playing with them, and I love spreadsheets. Shh, don't tell anyone, because who loves spreadsheets other than me? But I'm really good at them. That comes from being a consultant, and if I wanted to go home at night, I had to finish my work. If I took until 2 o'clock in the morning to finish my work, I was there until 2 o'clock in the morning. If I finished my work at 4 in the morning, I was there at 4 in the morning. If I finished my work at 11:30, because I could do my spreadsheets that much faster, I got to go home at 11:30 at night. Now, those of you who aren't from the consulting world are kind of looking at me like I'm crazy at this point, but trust me, going home at 11:30 at night was beautiful. And even to this day, I still play with spreadsheets. I love them. There's so many cool things you can do with different formulas and different ways of arranging the data and looking at it and slicing it and dicing it. It's fun to me. Okay, so I'm a little bit of a dork, but that's okay. I am okay with being a dork. So what do you do, besides being a mom, that you're really, really good at? Go tell us. Leave me a comment down below on the comments and tell me. And go check out the other vlog moms and follow along on the conversation at #vlogmom. Thanks, and I'll see you next week.